Welcome to MetaMask versus ZenGo. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description below. In this video, we'll dive into their features, target users, and use cases to help you decide which one is the right fit for your crypto needs. MetaMask is a go-to wallet for anyone deeply engaged in the Ethereum ecosystem. It supports Ethereum, ERC20 tokens, and Ethereum-compatible chains like Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. Available as a browser extension and a mobile app, MetaMask is essential for interacting with DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and Ethereum-based dApps. It features an intuitive interface for beginners while offering advanced functionalities like custom gas fee adjustments for experienced users. It also includes an integrated token swap feature. MetaMask's strength lies in its seamless integration with Ethereum-based applications, making it a top choice for DeFi traders, NFT enthusiasts, and developers. ZenGo, on the other hand, redefines wallet security with its keyless cryptography. Instead of private keys, ZenGo uses threshold signature technology, eliminating the risks of losing access due to forgotten keys or theft. Designed for ease of use, ZenGo is ideal for beginners entering the crypto space. It supports over 70 assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins, and offers features like savings accounts, staking, and a built-in exchange. ZenGo also includes a facial recognition-based recovery system, providing added convenience. This wallet prioritizes security and simplicity, making it a great option for those new to crypto or those seeking a hassle-free experience. When comparing the two, MetaMask shines for users deeply involved in Ethereum-based activities, thanks to its extensive dApp ecosystem and advanced tools. However, it requires users to manage their private keys, which may intimidate beginners. ZenGo, with its keyless technology and beginner-friendly design, offers unmatched convenience and security, but lacks the advanced DeFi and dApp integration MetaMask provides. Ultimately, if you're a seasoned crypto user looking to maximize your Ethereum interactions, MetaMask is the clear choice. But if you prioritize simplicity, security, and a stress-free setup, ZenGo is an excellent alternative. Check out the links in the description to explore these wallets and let us know your choice in the comments.